Well, thankfully, I was able to get everything set up before the snow hit. It did rain a little bit earlier, but I was able to get everything set up. I did get a little wet and cold though, so I got in here as quick as possible and got this fire started. It went from 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius earlier down to what it currently is, which is 26 degrees Fahrenheit or -3 Celsius. So I'm freezing, but now it's nice and toasty in here. I think it's saying it's 59 degrees Fahrenheit in here with the stove. So I think I'm gonna get myself a warm beverage and cook some food because I am starving. I am using this Jackery to charge all of my items. Charge my cell phone, have lights on in here, and to charge my camera batteries. I hadn't charged this thing in a year, and when I went to go charge it for this trip, it was still at 93%. I only had to plug it in for a tiny bit to get it up to 100. That's just incredible to me. Dinner today will be beef stroganoff. I prepared everything yesterday, so all I have to do is just warm it up. The sauce was super easy. Just ground beef or ground turkey, onion, garlic, mushrooms, a can of cream of mushroom soup, a cup and a half of beef broth, and a third of a cup of sour cream. And then salt, pepper, garlic powder to taste, and a little bit of flour or guar gum to thicken it up. You can serve this on egg noodles or rice. I am using egg noodles that I prepared yesterday. I am going to eat my dinner and hunker down with some YouTube videos and maybe a movie. I've got my book over here and just see what happens with this snowstorm.